try a little video again. There's Mike plowing out the end of the one side of the driveway. See how much snow the snowplow left in front. That's our mailbox there, so he's got to plow all that away. Here's leading up to our front door. See how deep it is. Down our driveway. Here's the big snow hill that the plow plowed that much in front of our driveway. It's on the middle of the road. Mike had to clear all of this out. There's a big drift in front of our neighbor's house, falling off the roof. Go across the street there, have a big drift that's in front of their garage. There's our neighbors in front of their driveway. Mike's going to have to plow that too because we do their yard, and we do theirs, and we do that guy where the basketball hoop is. Almost got this part done here. Take a little stroll, see if I can find Christopher and Charlie. See how deep this is. I'll walk along the front here. Whoa, sorry. Oh, this right here is up to my knees. Okay, made it. Whoa, it's ice under here. There's a big patch of ice. See if I can find the boys. Oh, there they are out in the snow. Whoop. Just taking a video. Oh no, they lost the frisbee. Coming off the house. That's probably about 2.5 feet between the drift hanging and the drift out in front of the window. Not much left of the pond, just a small opening there. Christopher and Charlie walk down here, they're down there trying to find the frisbee buried in the snow. Christopher threw it. There's a diving board. There's our pier, but you can hardly see it. See if I can make it down here. There's my foot. Whoa. I'd say it's up to my waist right here. Good thing he made a little trail here. Uh-oh, I see a big step here. Oh my gosh. Now it's up to my armpits right here. Find it? Oh, look at that pretty tree. There's the back door to the sliding door. You can see how high it is up to the sliding door. The weight of the snow broke our outdoor heater. That's a little gazebo and a swing underneath there that are stored, so you can see they're not. And to the right of that big pile there is a table that's like a bar-sized table.